Thomas here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 and 65 Chevelle and El Camino dash bezels by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Available in air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned vehicles with all the correctly located mounting holes for a smooth installation. These are injection molded plastic, just like the originals. Every feature is important, and that's why our bezels are chrome plated and finished with the right painted details, unlike others out there, which are vacuum metallized. Licensed by General Motors, so you can count on these being absolutely identical to the original piece, accepting all factory instrumentation and accessories. This bezel was center stage in our 1965 Malibu SS that we debuted at the SEMA trade show, drawing lots of positive attention. These are also available in kit form, which will include the glove box trim and indicator lenses. Keep in mind when purchasing directly through Original Parts Group, all Resto Parts products come with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.